Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PC Geo Kimberlite, a source of diamond. Today we are going to see an important scholarship sponsored by Schindler India. In the name Schindler Igniting Minds SIM scholarship for BE and BTech for the year 2021 and year 2022. Now in this scholarship the students will get up to 75,000 rupees and the deadline for the Schindler Igniting Mind scholarship is 30th September 2021. Schindler India as giving a scholarship for the engineering students. I am Dr. Sajid Undekar, Associate Professor and Head, Department of Geology, AKI's Pune College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Camp Pune, Maharashtra, India, and it is affiliated to Savitribai Phule Pune University, that is SPPU Pune, and formerly it is known as University of Pune. Let's begin to know the what this particular Schindler Igniting Mind Scholarship is there. First, we'll see the introduction about this Schindler Igniting Mind Scholarship. This scholarship is giving for the class 10, class 12, and diploma, then ITI, and the engineering student. Today we have just taken the first scholarship from this is the Schindler Igniting Mind Scholarship for B or BTech students. The intention of the objectives of this particular Schindler Igniting Minds of the scholarship is there to give equal opportunity for the deprived underprivileged student who has excellent talent, and their talent can explore and give them the platform to achieve their goals. So this is what we have, the goal or intention that the Schindler is India is giving financial assistance for financially weaker section students to complete their dreams and education. Now the Vidya Sarthi. So where you get this scholarship? The Vidya Sarthi is a NSDL e-government to be applied for various scholarship portals. So this is a scholarship portal is there. Vidya Sarthi NSDL e-governance, one of the partner for this scholarship with this Schindler Igniting Minds. Vidya Sarthi does not charge a single rupees. Yes, here is important. So those corporate companies are there who are announcing the various scholarship, whether they may be collaborating with the Vidya Sarthi or they may be going to collaborate with the Buddy for Study scholarship portal. So these are the two important portals are there. So today we have got this information from Vidya Sarthi portal. So those students who want to apply for the Schindler Igniting Mind scholarship, they have to go to the Vidya Sarthi scholarship portal, and from there they have to make an account, and from there you have to apply for this particular scholarship. So remember, very important one. Now the objectives already we have seen that the whatever the Schindler Igniting Mind scholarship is there, it is giving a scholarship for the weaker section to pursue their higher education and bring their dreams to a reality. So that is the intention is there. The Schindler India Private Limited has launched a scheme known as the Schindler Igniting Minds, that already we have seen. Now this scholarship is giving for the engineering purpose that we everyone knows. They have to apply that once you get that know the whatever the scholarships are there in that scholarship, if you are going to fit it out, don't underestimate yourself or don't estimate that you are going to get the scholarship. It is all India level scholarship is there. So the criteria will be given on the main two important things. One will be the your income certificate, income from all sources, and second one your academic score. Now, what is the Schindler is there? Schindler is the most leading companies of escalators, elevators, and moving walkways. So they have been manufacturing these important material, that is escalators, elevators, and moving walkways along the airports or in the malls, where in the your societies. So that will be given by the Schindler, and this is the scholarship is been sponsored by the Schindler for the academically strong, talented, underprivileged family students. The aim, the intention, we have been again and again, we have been coming to that the assistance will given for the don't have the dropouts will be there. So that is the main intention is there, and this is the very important scholarship which has been sponsored by the Splendor India, and it is one of the leading companies there. Now, what is the requirement? That is very important now. The qualification criteria that minimum 70% in 10th standard, minimum 70% in 12th standard, or minimum 60% in complete diploma course. So if we have this one, minimum 70% in 10th class, minimum 70% in 12th class, and 60% in diploma. Now, the course detail, that is very important. Here, the lot of confusion is there among the students. That's why I have been made this purposely. The course name is BE or BTech course. Now, in this, not all branches will get the scholarship, only the two branches. One, the Bachelor of Chemical Engineering. Yes, the Bachelor of Chemical Engineering, and the second one is Bachelor of Civil Engineering. These two trades are going to get the scholarship. And how much amount is there? The whatever the source will be there from all sources, the income which is there, it will be less than 3 lakhs, and it is for all genders, and the scholarship amount will be a huge amount, that is the 75,000 rupees. Now the certificate which is required for this particular scholarship, uploaded the documents in a high resolution pictures. That is first the proof of identity in the form of your Aadhaar card, PAN card, driving license, any one of this, or you have the proof of address, again the same criteria. If you have this passport, or if you have bank address, that is also will be your address proof is there, or you have the rent agreement is there, that is also will there. Then 10th, 12th, or a diploma marksheet. Not all three. Those who have been going from the 12th, 10th and 12th marksheet is required. Those who have gone from the diploma, 10th and diploma, all first, second, and the third year diplomas marksheets are required. College fee receipt, where you have taken the admission in a AICT recognized institute. So in that, college fee receipt is required. Latest academic marksheet is required, except for the first term year students. Students' bank passport and bona fide certificate and income certificate. All documents will be uploaded, shall be clear, and must be in JPG or PNG file only. Remember, not in the PDF, JPG or PNG format. Now, very important one. Terms and condition. Nobody is going for this. You have to see what is the terms and condition has been mentioned by this company for that particular this particular scholarship. That is Schindler Igniting Mind scholarship. They have this term and condition that will read out. Hereby, I confirm that the funds provided towards my education by the Schindler India Private Limited under their CSR, social corporate social responsibility expenditure, will be used for education purpose only, and all the information provided above is true to the best of my knowledge. So that is the what we have the undertaking, as well as the terms and conditions are there. The contact person is the Piyush Gangwar. The email ID for the contact is vidyasarthi at nsdl.co.in, and grievances for inquiries vidyasarthi at nsdl.co.in. And Vidyasarthi is a platform by NSDL e-governance. Apply for the various scholarship, and the official website is https www.vidyasarthi.co.in /vidyasarthi/login. So first you have to go to this portal. First you have to log in with your mobile. You'll get the SMS, you'll get the tin one, activate your account, and from there you have to apply for this Schindler Igniting Mind Scholarship. So this is what we have. The scholarship website page is there. That is a deadline. I have been purposely added over here, 30th September 2021. And PC Joe Kimberlite is a source of diamond. YouTube channel is there, and I have already been prepared the website. It is under construction. Maybe within 1 or 2 days, it will be. I'm going to share you with all the viewers so that you can go and visit. So all the videos as well as their notes, all the related to whether geology, whether the scholarship is there, whether it is NCS is there, everything will be. I'm going to upload on that my websites. So this is what we have, the website of vidyasarthi.in. So you have to go over there, create your account, and from here you have to apply for the scholarship. That is, once a new web page will be open in front of you, you are registered and you have created your account. And to create the account, enter all the information such as what is required to enter into this Vidyasarthi is Aadhaar, the name of as per the Aadhaar card, mobile number, email ID, password, then captcha count is there, code is there. After entering the details, click on the search option. New web page will come in front of you. Now click apply the for Schindler Igniting Mind Scholarship, and the registration form will appear in front of you. Enter all the details in the form, and after entering the detail, submit all important documents. After submitting and detail, click on the submit option. Through this, you will be easily apply under this scholarship. Then same scholarship login, go to the official website of the scholarship. Home page of the website will be open screen, log on option and appear on the screen. Now contacts for this one, the Times Tower, first floor, Kamla Mills Compound, Lower Parel, Mumbai 400013, and the contact address is 022 40904484. This is the address and contact number of the Vidyasarthi nsdl.co scholarship portal, and you have to call them in between Monday to Friday between 9:30 to 6 p.m. And if you want to make the fax, 02224915217, and email ID is the Vidyasarthi nsdl.co.in. And this is what we have. This is the information we have been got it from the scholarship portal of Vidyasarthi. So you have to apply for this particular scholarship. Those who are eligible, they can apply. Only two trades are there. One is the civil engineering and second one is chemical engineering. Only for these two trades of B or BTech, the Schindler in Igniting Minds giving a scholarship for the year 2021 and year 2022. I hope this is clear from my side. I have made this video only for the awareness purpose. No other intentions are there. You have to go check it out on the sites of Vidyasarthi and find out the details, read out all the terms and conditions, and apply for this scholarship. If you're not eligible, then those students who are eligible, kindly pass on the scholarship to these deserving candidates so that they can apply and get the scholarship and complete their dream. Thank you. Have a nice day.